compute the limit. Let's say that you are given this limit as it approaches infinity for this polynomial. To find the limit as it approaches infinity for this polynomial, the first thing you need to do is to identify the highest degree, which is also called the leading term. So the highest degree for this limit is negative 7x to the ninth, because the ninth right here is the highest degree compared to all of this. So once you identify the highest degree for this polynomial, the next thing you need to do is take the limit out of it. And for the rest of this right here, you can just ignore it. So take the limit of negative 7x to the ninth as it approaches positive infinity. Notice that in the middle right here there's no addition or no subtraction. So it's an indication that this limit is a multiplication limit. So you break this limit out into a multiplication. So you take the limit of negative 7 as it approaches infinity times x to the ninth as it approaches positive infinity. If you take the limit as it approaches infinity for a constant number, the answer will be constant. So it will be negative 7. As you take the limit of x raised to an odd number as it approaches infinity, it will be positive infinity. Because if you take a large number and you times it by 9 times, it will be a positive number. So that's why it's a positive infinity. So 7 times a positive infinity will be a infinity right here. But why is there a negative? Because negative times a positive will be negative. So for this polynomial limit, it will be negative infinity. Always keep in mind that every time you take the limit of a polynomial, you always identify the highest degree, which is the leading term, and then take the limit of that leading term out of it. And this is the answer.